It a tip. You better never rape. Let's hop into the video. You see me, yo. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This is It a Tape from the man himself, Vybz Kartel, coming off his Viking album, the 10th year anniversary. He added some songs to it, but there's 3 old songs on it. So this one is It a Tape, official audio. Hopefully he makes a video for it. So let's jump into it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Cause we now gonna hide. Girl in me live. No, me definitely hide that. Yeah. Now remember, if I stop every 10 to 17 seconds, I become me I try to avoid this copyright thing, bro. It is making man madalicious. Okay, thank you. Let me big up the screen for now.
Turn it on, make it video. TikTok, IG, Vimeo. See your bad mind, but me see with you.
Who is he talking? Deva Brat?
I am it. Little Vybz. It a tape. Yeah. Laws are no rape. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I grape. Remember out the road, say pussy dash wet in a paint. But no left your condom, what she see now, what she see. It a tape. Yeah. Laws are no rape. To wow your pussy tight is like me rocking at a safe. She tell me, says she want to use my comfy face paint. Free.
Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Come again, Carter. Come again. Come again. Come again!
Turn it on, make it video. TikTok, IG, Vimeo. See your bad mind, but me see with you. I am it. Little Vybz. It a tape. Yeah. Laws are no rape. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I grape. Remember out the road, say pussy dash wet in a paint. But no left your condom, what she see now, what she see. It a tape. Yeah.
Guys are no rape.
Laws are no rape. To wow your pussy tight is like me rocking at a safe. She tell me, says she want to use my comfy face paint. Freaks never die, them replicate the place straight. Me say, one burner and the whole place shake. Some of them a talk about, say me give, say them a date. All my granny say me can't give pussy a break. But I bill me a bill and go on, pile up the safe. Red boom, it a record, glory to the Lord. When me no want to use me cash, me use my black card. Some boy need a fitted, call them a cap hard. Me live in a your gang, rent free, landlord. It a
Some boy need a fitted cause them a cap hard. Alright. The man said it himself. Bro. Right now reviewing Vybz Kartel song is like a joy to me, brother. Because bro, this man just never fail to amuse me, brothers. Well, if you're a man amuse me still, but yeah. But listen to this again.
my black card. Some boy need a fitted, call them a cap hard. Me live in a your gang, rent free, landlord. It a tape, laws are no rape. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I grape. Remember out the road, say pussy dash wet in a paint. But no left your condom, what she see now, what she see. It a tape, yeah, laws are no rape. To wow your pussy tight is like me rocking at a safe. She tell me, say she
I never brought the dog attack, sir. That me I want them. Like me really and truly I want them for never brought the boss attack.
want to use my comfy face paint. Freaks never die, them replicate the place straight. Me go prison, me escape. The gal them hero, no wear brief, no wear cape. Me love the thick gal, the bumper with the pure shape. Me love the mother gal.
Hold on, come back again.
The gal them hero, no wear brief, place straight. Me go prison, me escape. The gal them hero, no wear brief, no wear cape. Me love the thick gal, the bumper with the pure shape. Me love the mother gal, your body flat, it just straight. Me drop the straight vibes, I sell 1,000 plus crate. In a one day, every retailer frustrate. Gamble with the teacher and your money show for double. Coulda 1991 came and a spark in a trouble. It a tape, yeah, laws are no rape. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I grape. Remember out the road, say pussy dash wet in a paint. But no left your condom, what she see now, what she see. It a tape, yeah, laws are no rape. To wow your pussy tight is
Hey man, body of fuck, hey. Bro, me cannot get over us. Your man just talented, dog.
like me rocking at a safe. She tell me says she want to use my comfy face paint. Freaks never die, them replicate the place straight.
What can go so? Alright, 1, 10 out of 10. 2, is this a direct song to Deva Brat? Just a small little twips of Adidja Palmer brilliancy. Like, please, comment down below, let me know. I'll give this song a 10 out of 10 because I don't think it deserves anything less than a 10 out of 10. Video is going to be crazy if he does make a video for this. But man, like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, bro, that is the man album from man in the dog. Man body in the dog. Boom, buck, lad.